AceMicromatic Group is happy to be here at ENGIMACH 2025, one of the leading manufacturing shows for the Western India. As we speak, India is transforming into a global manufacturing hub, and ACE is right there partnering with all of our customers and vendors in supporting them. The various initiatives that the government has been taking over the last 5-6 years, whether it's a PLI or whether it's Atmanirbhar Bharat, Make in India, for the world, is now all coming together. India is really at an inflection point where the rapid digitization and the demand for advanced high precision machining is becoming a real thing. And the intent is now moving from policy making to execution. And more global companies are realizing the strength of the Indian domestic economy, the capability of Indians in general to design and build, and becoming a true manufacturing nation that will create a huge opportunity for indigenous machine tool manufacturers. Digitization is, of course, redefining productivity. Customers are seeking real-time information. We really believe building world-class turning solutions, machining solutions, engineered in India, built in India for the world. In summary, India's manufacturing story is shifting from scale to sophistication, and we are right at the heart of that shift. And we believe that by combining precision, automation, and digital readiness, we are going to help Indian manufacturing systems to go to the next level. Let's talk a little bit about automation here and what we have displayed at ENGIMACH. So in the era of smart manufacturing, automation and digital capability are no longer optional. They're basically the new baseline for competitiveness. And the global benchmarks today are defined by precision at pace, predictable output, and being flexible in production. At ACE, our technology roadmap is built to help Indian manufacturers achieve exactly that. First, we are championing automation-ready machine platforms. What does this mean? It means that the machines are designed from the ground up with robot-friendly layouts, safe loading zones, stable clamping, and consistent cycles, allowing standard interfaces to scale up from manual to fully automated sales without reworking the shop floor. Secondly, we are embedding connectivity and Industry 4.0 integration, real-time data visibility, remote diagnostics, traceability, ready workflows help customers improve uptime and meet global quality requirements. Finally, we continue to push advanced precision and performance engineering, higher stiffness platforms, thermal stability for tight tolerances over long runs, and faster spindle and axis performance so that the productivity issues are taken care without sacrificing accuracy. Over the years, ACE has invested substantially in helping the Indian manufacturing ecosystem grow. Some of our key aspects, so as a company that has been the first to develop a CNC machine, has reduced imports. We now have a CNC simulator demonstrated here, which helps companies train their operators on that simulator before they operate real-time machines. We have also demonstrated here turning and milling educational machines for the educational institutes, which allow operators to operate on these small machines before they go and operate large complex parts. To conclude and in summary, why ACE? When you choose ACE as your partner for machine tools, you're choosing a company that has in its values customer first, excellence, integrity, respect, and a pioneering and innovation culture built into it over the last 40+ years. At ACE, we believe that when we close a deal, we start a new relationship. A relationship that is not just for today, but it extends over the years, where you will need support over the next 10, 15, 20 years, and ACE is there to deliver that support. Anyone can supply a machine, but what ACE supplies is a completely integrated solution. Today, whether you buy a turning solution or a machining solution, ACE has the capability to not just design a fully integrated machine with your toolings, we are also able to manufacture those toolings with built-in automation that ultimately help you as a customer to deliver your commitments to your customers. So when you buy ACE, you buy into a company that you can depend on, not just for today, but what we are here is to build a relationship for tomorrow.